I'm at Fumee, Charlotte, North Carolina. Steak and cheese here. I already did it, but I'm gonna bite it again before you get my conclusionary back. Get this A-. Hot, delicious. Seasoned just right. The bread is soft. The bread is hot. It's warm. Could use a little more green pepper and onion. See a little bit up top, but if it weren't for that, I would have gave them an A. Truffle fries, I've been killing them. These get an A. Not an A plus, but an A. My thing is though, they brought the fries out too early. Should have brought it all at the same time.
You gotta dip it in the aioli too.
Yeah. The aioli with the fries. Truffle fries get an A. Truffle fries get an A. Especially with the aioli sauce. Now, I'm about to go in on the salmon. Once again, I'm at Fumee, Charlotte, North Carolina. I'm gonna give it my grade here in a bit again. Go ahead and try the salmon. Check this out. We got some sauce drizzled on there. It's hot. That's a good thing. It's a little over seasoned to me. The sauce does taste well with it. Until it's grilled, I like the char on it. I'm gonna get a salmon a B plus. Could have gave me a little bit more, but a B plus overall. Overall, right now, this date, in February 2026, I'm giving Fumee, you give them a B plus. I like the atmosphere, the vibe. Food is delicious, so do come check this place out. JR the Superstar here. Until next time.